from Tijuana, Mexico. Here we are. And this is real people, real solutions, real problems. Okay. Hi, Denise.
Hi.
Where are you from?
Upstate New York.
New York. My wife's from there, too. Okay, so New York girls do have an attitude, but you got to love them. Okay. Now, what'd you come all the way down here for?
All the holistic, professional, get healthy, take charge of our life.
Okay, this is not a victim, okay? Because most New York girls, they're kind of tough. Okay, but what caused you to do that? Because most people just acquiesce, okay, no, I'll go with my doctor, who are mainly not that
Too
smart.
many repeated offenses by white coats that weren't able to resolve my problem. And what I've been dealing with for many years in one day has already been explained.
Oh my God.
We're on the way to healing.
Okay, that's totally cool. What caused? Okay, so when a person has had a diagnosis, what you might not know is not only is that doctor guessing at the diagnosis, but the diagnosis is complete BS. These are all the body adapting to physical, chemical, emotional stress. I know, isn't that cool?
Right.
Okay, in all the tests we did, we went through everything.
Mm-hmm.
What kind of experience was that? What
It
have you
was
seen?
mind-blowing. It's nothing I've ever experienced. It's reading everything that a regular x-ray doesn't tell you.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we take stress x-rays, nerve scans, with the blood analysis.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I want to do. I want to put that in schools.
Yeah.
There's an ecosystem in a drop of blood. Now, were you always like this? Were you always like health oriented and?
For the most part, but not to this extent. Not as educated as I have been.
Very, very cool. What brought you down here? Like, did you hear about the clinic through?
I've been following you since 2010, and I've tried to do everything, but recent situations have put me in front of a lot of doctors that stand and look at me and can't resolve my problem. And then one day you've given me everything I'm going to need to get better.
Yeah. Well, she's built by God. I'm just a normal guy.
Amen.
Yeah, so we're working with, it's like tightening bolts in a Ferrari. You're not going to get credit for building the Ferrari.
Right.
Okay, so you brought your honey
Right.
down.
He's
Okay,
my support. And
he's got some
he's in worse shape than I am.
But he's a cool guy.
He is.
Okay?
He's a keeper, for sure.
Now, did you try the dentist stuff that we have down
We
here?
did. We went through the Biodental exams, and we're going to be working with that in the future.
So the medical system is mainly based in fear and ignorance. Okay, that's true. And docs, be honest. When you say it's from genetic or idiopathic, okay, forget that. Look at the body adapting correctly. Okay, that pisses me off.
Right.
What can you tell someone out there that's been diagnosed with fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue, neurologic disorders? I mean, all the host of litany of crazy stuff.
Yeah, you gotta research and start yourself, take care of yourself first. Feed what God already gave you and take that plan.
That makes sense. It does. But
medicines don't work.
But you're down here, you're a blonde girl in Mexico, no fear or anything? You didn't have
Of what? No, we've been treated like royalty here.
It is
right
pretty
from
cool.
the driver that picked us up to the staff here is unbelievably accommodating and friendly, easy to understand. There's no worries here.
The weird thing, I just spent 3 weeks in Thailand.
Right.
And I actually, honest to God, I missed you guys. Okay, I really did. I mean, in our clinic in Huntington Beach, you say hi, good morning and stuff. Down here, everybody's got a hug.
Right,
And you get used to that quick.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what could you tell someone that might be afraid? They might, they're taking like a half a dozen drugs and they're not getting results. Because that's the hardest person. That's the person we want to reach in and say, no, there's hope, there's love. You can get better.
Don't be afraid. Take charge. They're going to dig you deeper in the ground than coming here, making the first step, taking charge of your health, and letting you guys get a plan. It's a good plan.
That's good advice. Find the problem and fix it. You're amazing.
I'm happy to
Amazing.
be here. You're amazing. Your
Oh,
staff's amazing.
Oh, my team is like incredible.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
just a normal person.
Yeah.
Okay, take charge of your health, okay? And if you're confronted with chronic pain or anything else, just say, be like Denise, be like Denise, be like Denise. Okay? And what would Denise do? WWDD.
Get here now.
Get here now, take charge of your health. God bless you.
Amen.
You're amazing.
Thank you.
You're
Appreciate it.
amazing.